Not sure what just happened, but I was saying I don't know if that even caught it or not because I haven't got to editing the video yet. Sorry about that. But I said that I went to the UTI and not a urinary tract infection school, but Universal Technical Institute. I graduated Ford, the core, the Ford, and GM program. Now, well, got that off. Now I gotta try to take this light off again without breaking anything. But that's not what I'm doing. I'm truck driving. It's kind of easier, as what I was saying. I'm not dealing with people face to face on a daily basis, other than like constantly. Truck driving, you still deal with people, but not as much. And driving on the road, but I'm not dealing with customers, like I said, face to face. All right, so let's go ahead and take this off. 1 sec. All right, over here. All right, so I got the light out. And go ahead and disconnect this one. Boop. Take the light out. Boop. Just like so. Make sure that don't fall. Awesome. Alright. Put that right there. I'm gonna put both of those in this baggie because life is still good. Take the LED out. Yes, yes. And I'm gonna put these in here. Let's put those back in that baggie.